Welcome back to the 2023 Miss Dig 811 annual meeting. I am here with Stephanie. How are you doing, Stephanie?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I am doing all right. We've done quite a few interviews, a few exclusives. We got the CEO. Now we have a VIP over here to interview. So what makes calling 811 important to you?
It's important to me because that way you're protecting the people in the community around you by calling Miss Dig and getting all the facilities located. You know where they are so you can protect those and then also protect the community. So that's it.
That is awesome. Okay, now here's the big $1 million question we've asked everyone. What number do you dial if you want to contact Miss Dig 811?
You dial 811.
That's right. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Thank you.